Fuck.
Yeah, it's awful.
Yeah, but it could not be saved.
Screwdriver.
Hey Nick, you need to calm down a little bit. That kind of profanity is not allowed in this kind of environment, Nick.
What environment? Our toxic environment?
Yes, that one. Exactly, you got it right.
Facial toxic, HR.
Nick, shut the fuck up. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. It's an island world. It's an island world. Huh? Yeah, the Star Wars. You didn't notice that?
Shut us down.
Mickey Mouse is gonna come through when you're sleeping.
You know what? What's up?
What?
Are you on the board?
Second round. You mean the truth I speak? What's he saying? This kid live in the casino?
That's literally how bad this is.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen anything that's bad? I didn't think about it until I realized how caked on it was.
Hey, let's fuck her. Hey, it's okay. We're getting our best to clean it. But we definitely blew it out.
God, not this song. Echo. Skip.
Skip.
That's terrible.
I don't know what it was. I was talking shit. Yeah, partial cable.
It's so bad that there's these things that are dirty that I don't thought could get dirty.
Yeah. Yeah. It had a keyboard too, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's in the back still. You grabbed it? Huh? You grabbed it, huh? Jam on. You jam on. You jam on. Next jam on. To reggae. Why is this bracket gone? This one. It's an EVGA power supply. Drugs. You can hear a lot of drugs, and now it's tripping nonsense. She's crazy, very. For courteous to be next. Fully clean GPU. Yeah, for fucking Daedalus Teks apparently. Yeah. Yeah, so our diagnostics are 65 plus minutes. First, you want to check it in. It sounds like something simple, like the front board's not wired, like the front panel connected, or maybe like miswired, or something simple. Something like that. Yeah, of course. Good day. Huh? he bought he bought all the parts and put it together, and he can't get it to turn on. He said the board lights up and stuff.
Check emails. Teams
So it sounds like he doesn't have the front panels connected.
Call clients.
Yeah, but you.
This is a reminder. Check emails, Teams to-do list, support tickets, and call clients.
Fucking what's on here are dirty. Jesus Christ.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. Let's see, bro.
I'm gonna take this.
I cleaned it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
No, wait, not this keyboard now.
Yes, clean that fucking keyboard out. This is quick.
Oh, this keyboard's okay.
You guys are about to find out, Nick. You took it apart.
I know.
And you broke the factory seal on it.
Here. I give you the other parts.
Oh yeah, Nick. Oh yeah. Was there 2 screws here?
Yeah.
Ah, cool.
You understand how it goes, right?
These go holding in, and then this goes against the thing. What did I guess that? You know, that seems pretty complicated. Motherfucking Joneses.
Yeah, John, this one less.
What you're gonna get, Nick, is a good time. You're gonna start tripping balls here soon.
Yeah, that's not bad.
The joke's gonna kick in momentarily, Nick. WTF, mate. There we go. Crikey. Crikey, Nick. Good cranky. Crikey. Holy cripples and crapple. Excuse my beauty. Jesus, Nick. My mom. Huh? My wife, yeah. My wife. It's an island boy. It's an island boy. It's an island boy. It's an island boy. I had a thing this
Cleaning it. I thought you did clean it.
Oh, I did. It just used the black background, you can see. It's definitely clean air. I just have the protective cover on this thing. It's dope, but I'm just surprised. Jesus, this fucker's heavy.
Just